Hello everyone, I'm Bernice and you're welcome to my channel. So I'll be showing you how I make this lemon yogurt oatmeal cake. This recipe is highly nutritious and healthy as well. So just check the description box for the list of ingredients and measurements I used for this video. So firstly, I will start by pouring in the melted butter, maple syrup. You can as well use honey or agave for this recipe. So we'll add in the applesauce. This will keep the cake moist, and we do not have to add too much butter or oil into this recipe, as applesauce also acts as a fat replacer, and it also helps to keep the cake fresher for a longer period of time. So now I'll also go ahead to add in the yogurt and thoroughly mix everything. And after mixing thoroughly, I'll go ahead to add in the lemon juice and mix. And I'll go ahead to add in the eggs. I'm going to add that one at a time, after which I'll go in to add in the lemon zest. Thank you very much for stopping by. Please hit the thumbs up button, that's the like button, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in another bowl, I'll just go in to add in the dried ingredients. So here I have the oatmeal flour, or the grounded oats, wholemeal flour. This is also known as whole grain flour or whole wheat flour, some baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then I'll combine this thoroughly before I'll now reintroduce into the wet ingredients. So I just mixed everything here, the dry ingredients here, before I'll transfer into the wet ingredients, and we're just going to mix that properly. After mixing, I'll just go ahead and pour in the batter into my already greased baking pan, and I'm going to bake this for 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. So I'll just go ahead and smoothen the top. This is just optional. It's just something we are eating in the house here. So I'll just go ahead and smoothen the top before I bake. And our lemon yogurt oatmeal cake is ready. So as you can see, the top is a bit brown. Yes, oatmeal, anything with oatmeal easily gets brown. Okay, so don't be scared or don't think it's burnt. Actually, first time I tried it, I thought my cake was burnt, but as I kept on making it, I noticed that's how it comes out. There's no other way the cake will look better. So I'm just going to take out the cake from the cake pan, and as you can see how the under is still looking a bit brown, and I've allowed this to cool down for like almost 30 minutes. See, we couldn't wait to try this, and we love this I and my husband really love this because it's so healthy. We are not scared of like any sugar intake or eating something unhealthy, as this snack is very healthy. You can have this with tea or coffee or even some ice cream if you will still want to have something sweet with it. So this cake is healthy and you won't even notice that this is a healthy cake. That is to tell you how good it is. Can you see how moist this cake looks inside? It's very moist, it's very soft. So thank you very much for watching. So I see you in my next video. I love you all, and please do not forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Bye.